How to enable flight notifications on Spirit Airlines. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can enable flight notifications on Spirit Airlines. So I must let you know that there are two means of notifications on Spirit Airlines, either through your SMS or through your email, and there are two ways of achieving this. Now the first way is through your booking process. Okay, while you are booking, you can select how you want to receive notifications about the flight. And then how do you do this? By booking a flight and then selecting where you're heading from or where you're going to, and by clicking on search flight. Then once you click on search flight, you'll be directed to the first stage of the flight booking process. Okay, so once you're on this stage, just select the one that suits you, continue, and then you'll be directed to the passengers page. On this page, you'll be asked to input your contact details, your name, etc., and as well as your phone number. So it is on this page that you can now decide if you want to receive information, flight notification through SMS. So you can see the option here, country code, phone number. Then you can see, yes, please send me SMS notification. So if you want to receive notification through SMS, you can just check on this box here and then go ahead and input your code as well as your phone number. And then the second way is through your email. For you to be able to do this, go to the top left corner of the screen and then click on your profile name. Once you click on your profile name, a box will be displayed. Ensure you click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, you'll be redirected to the edit profiles page. And then on this page, you'll see several things that can be edited, such as your name, your date of birth, address, phone number, and then you see communication. All right, you can see communication, email, and then next is to move to the top part, to the right side of the screen of the box, at this communication box, and click on the option edit. Once you click on the option edit, for you to enable flight notification on SMS, all you need to do is just to click on the box next to the option opt into SMS flight status notification, and they ask you put your phone number in here. And once you put your phone number, you just scroll down, then click on save changes, and just like that, you receive notifications from Spirit Airlines about flight. All right, so it is very simple. So this is how you can receive notifications or flight notifications on Spirit Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.